Hi guys! So, ang heat index for today is 32 degrees. Pero alam niyo kung anong ginagawa ko? Kumakain lang naman ako ng buldak. So, na-realize na ko, nag-video siya. Nag-crave ko pagkita na ko niya. Kaya naka-realize mo, init kayo niya, nagkakagugalang! Pero, ginusto ko to, so kakainin ko. Magkatagalog man ko. Tagalog mo, ay pag-ipalit ko gatas. Nakalimut mo nga lang ang bigay. Sabi tayo mga mukha ang buwangin. Nakalimut ko kung siya kahapon. Akong tolerance sa spicy guys. High. But ma-forget din ako nung hot din niya siya. Hindi lang siya spicy lang. It's hot. Do you want to taste? Papa?
No, it's too hot.
But it's so lamig. Lamig siya ba?
It's delicious, it's too hot.
Oh my gosh, but this is so lamig, but do not eat this every day. Kaya it's not good for the health.
It will damage your tongue.
And your kidney. You only eat this once in 2 months. Do we have pan?
No, I don't have pan.
I think I need something that will neutralize.
You have to use the rice.
You know what? I don't like carbs on carbs, but I think I really need to eat rice so that, guys. So yeah, so this is the rice. You know, milk is effective, but I don't want to go out.
Just put sugar in it. That will neutralize it, becomes sweet.
Carb is sugar. I think the building blocks of carbs are sugar. I really don't eat like ramen or anything like this on rice, but today I'm eating it with rice because it's so spicy. Guys, I don't have that stick. Ginagawa lang. So, ganito po yung ginagawa ng taong walang trabaho. I mean, may trabaho na ako guys. Hindi pa na ako nasa-start. Wala nga ba? I think I really need to... Ang labis ito. Guys, ang bako back. So, may vitamin milk na tayo. Diba mo? Kung magkamukha lang, bili mo ngayong water. Okay. Mas mo grabe. Bye na, oy. Tara sa salida. Okay, update. I think this will be the last bite. I cannot take it anymore. Yun lang. Ayaw ko na ubusin. Meron pa. Ayaw kumain ng papa ko, so ako na lang ilabay. Kaya ba mo pag talit ako sa milk. Dapat yung dogs outside. Madukot irok because they are so territorial.
Is it barking like that?
Ha?
Is it not barking?
Why are you Englishing? You speak Bisaya.
Bisaya and English just the same, you understand?
No, they are not. Okay, ako na nilabay kasi hala, magbuot! Magbuot! I'm a multilingual queen. So, kasi ilalabay ko na to kasi hindi kakain ng papa ko ng ganito kasi halang daw, so hindi ko na kaya. Sana kasi half lang mo nilagay ko ng na yung red back. Naparami yung lagay ko, nilagay ko lahat. Confident. Ubusin ko na to. Okay, it's a success. And nakalimot ko, natagakaw na ko buldak na ako iba-share. Kaya good din ako siya makurot. Kano pa ko kayo ng buldak.